Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I gave you guys an update of what's happening. So I was pretty busy with certain other stuff. So here's an update. So right now, they have removed the drywall, the windows, and everything. So I will go on the other side and show you guys later. But right now, we have run into an issue where, if you can see, we had this ceiling wall before, and it pretty extends, like I think it's around 20 inches, sorry, 20 feet. So we have added another 10 feet. So now the builder, I mean the constructor who's actually constructing, is running into an issue where he just doesn't know if we extend that roof, it's going to bear the weight of this roof that's already there. So we might have to bring a beam in between. So that's the next step. We're waiting on the engineers to come by and see if, this entire roof could be balanced by just one wall, or do we have to add something in between. So that's what our contractor is figuring out. And in terms of Indian stuffs, we have got a couple of stuffs from India, which I will show you in later in the video. And with interiors, we're trying to finalize a couple of stuffs. We still have to do the porch, and I think tomorrow we're gonna start I think the people are gonna start laying the bricks outside. So it's coming together, but it's going terribly slow. I did not know construction would take this long. I thought it would be done by 1 month, 2 months. I have my dad coming in the next 10 days, so I don't know how the situation is going to be. So right now, excuse me, the house looks a little messy. We just have like literally ripped windows. So let's see. So I'll go on the other side to show you guys what's happening in terms of the interior on the other side. So right now, they have removed, because we made bay window right here, so this window remains because we can have some privacy here. So they have removed all the the on this side there was foam, so they've removed all the foam up there, and now they've made in some connections, like the electrical connections. We have given a couple of electrical connections that we wanted, so we're probably going to have bed here. So we have 2 electrical connections on either side, and then near the bay window we're going to have 2 connections, one there and one here. So right now the electrical connections are done, and the door has been moved from here to here. So that door has been moved, and now even this window, the bay window, has been moved. So this bay window has been moved towards here. So, and the lighting fixtures have come in. So we have recess lights attached all over. And the next thing they're gonna do is the foaming and also like the drywall. So we're running into a bit of an issue because it's a really long roof, so that we might have to bring in a beam right here, so to hold on to the weight of the roof. So currently this is the progress on the house. So I'll keep you posted, and I'll tell you about the interiors that we are deciding on. So this is how the exterior looks now. They're laying the bricks. They're trying to match. I mean, they have actually used the same bricks that we used initially for the house, but because we have lived there for a couple of years, the previous bricks kind of look old. So the bricks are being laid, so this should be done. So let's go in and look at the next DIY I would be doing. Hey guys, so right now this is another DIY I'll be doing. So we have a lot of gold color being used in the house. So initially it was silver, so we had to go on the silver themed. Now because it is gold, I have to paint this chandelier also gold. So I'm gonna paint this using again the same one, metallic Rust-Oleum, and this time I have this uniform sprayer thing. So let's see if that works, because I think this gun would help me have a more uniform painting to the stuff. So right now I have cleaned this everything, and yeah, let's get to painting. So the first coating of the paint is done, so I have to reverse the light fixture or the chandelier and then paint on the bottom. So that's the next coating. So right now it kind of looks good. This is what I wanted, so let's see. So the other side of the painting has been done too, so it looks really good. I just want to put it back and fit it back and see how it kind of looks. I love the gold plate painting. It's a really quick DIY. So let's see how it looks when we kind of put it back.